Global trend. Brazilian waxing continues to rise in popularity worldwide, especially in countries like Brazil, the US, and parts of Europe, for long-lasting results and smooth finish. Comfortable alternative. While Brazilian waxing can be painful for some, it offers a more effective and longer-lasting solution than shaving and frequent touch-ups. Pre-waxing care. Exfoliating the skin a day before the waxing appointment helps reduce the chances of ingrown hairs and smoother results. Trusted professional. It's important to visit a certified esthetician or waxing professional to ensure hygiene standards are met and reduce the risk of irritation. Aftercare is key. To avoid redness and bumps, applying soothing lotions or oils after waxing helps calm the skin and prevent infection. Waxing for men. Brazilian waxing isn't just for women, it's becoming increasingly popular among men who want a cleaner and more defined look. All skin types can wax. Brazilian waxing is safe for all skin types, though those with sensitive skin may need to take precautions and opt for softer wax formulas. Avoid sun. After a Brazilian wax, the skin is sensitive and should be protected from direct sun exposure to prevent irritation or burns. The pain factor. While waxing can cause discomfort, many people find it more bearable after several sessions as the hair grows back finer. Long-term benefits. Waxing may lead to finer and thinner hair over time, making future sessions less painful and more efficient. Avoiding breakouts. Some individuals may experience breakouts following Brazilian waxing. Applying a mild lotion to help prevent this. Better than shaving. Waxing pulls hair from the root, making it a more effective solution for those seeking smoother skin compared to shaving. To prevent stubble and razor burn, timing matters. It's best to wait 2-3 weeks after a wax session before booking your next appointment. This allows the hair to grow to the optimal length for removal. The area clean. Cleanliness before and after the waxing procedure is critical to avoid infection. Ensure your skin is free from oils or lotions that interfere with wax adherence. Educational facts. Hair growth cycle. Waxing works by removing hair at the root, which means it's effective during the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle. Hair regrowth is slower. Compared to shaving, waxing causes the hair to grow back slower and finer because it removes hair from the follicle. Brazilian waxing origin. The Brazilian wax was popularized in the US by the J Sisters, a group of Brazilian women who started offering it in New York in the 1980s. Waxing vs. shaving. While shaving cuts the hair at the skin surface, waxing pulls the hair from the follicle, resulting in a smoother and longer-lasting finish. Hygiene standards. Waxing salons are required by law to maintain strict hygiene standards, including using fresh wax for each client to minimize risks like infection. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.